Using this website we have to create the stunning reels and many contents. The image using the we have to input the image should be convert the video, and it should be banner sized, and we have to input the image into the video. The text must be the good, and it looks fantasy. How to use this website? First we have to choose the templates. Okay, it looks good, and I already they give the 20 credits, it can be over. Okay, I already created videos. I've created the just 3 videos. Just click the video. Yeah, I can play the video. Oh, it looks great. Yes, it looks to be must be the great the Ronaldo images. If you share the video using the link, and if you want the video, just touch the download button. I already used the credit sections. If you open the AI, they will give the 20 credits. First, how to use this website? First, we have to register a mail. They will give the access. That's why the website can be used. Otherwise, we cannot be. Otherwise, it can be not used. If you want the link, just comment AI. I send the link. Like the video, subscribe the channel, and comment. If you want many more videos, just comment AI. I shall update it in the day by day.